Expand design, a roomy cabin, dual-tone interiors, 15 smart utility spaces, and a large boot space, all there to expand your life. Welcome to Easy Space.
The Minister of Petroleum Industries, officials of the Ceylon Petroleum Corporation and journalists embarked on the sea journey today to inspect the buoy used to unload crude oil, which was the subject of much controversy in the recent past.
අප මේ වෙනුවට රැඳී සිටින්නේ කොළඹ වරායේ සිට කිලෝමීටර 10ක් ඔබ්බෙන් වූ මුහුදේ.
We are in the sea about 10 kilometers from the Colombo harbour, where the buoy or the pipeline system, which is used to unload crude oil from ships for Sri Lanka, is located. Over the past 47 days, a pipe on this system burst, causing a cessation of the unloading of fuel. What you can see now is that the pipe has been repaired and the unloading of oil is taking place.
ඒ යථා තත්ත්වයට පත් කරමින් තෙල් ගොඩබෑමේ කටයුතු ආරම්භ කර තිබෙන ආකාරයයි ඔබ මේ දකින්නේ.
Following the inspection of the buoy used to unload crude oil, the group visited the site of the buoy, which is used to unload refined fuel.
මේ ඔබ දකින්නේ
What you can see here is the starting point of the pipeline system, which carried refined fuel that is brought via ship to the country to the storage terminal in Muthurajawala. This buoy has been inactive for several days now.
සිට අක්‍රියවයි පවතින්නේ.
Following the inspection tour, the subject minister expressed these views to the media.
As a result of the lower pipe on the buoy bursting, we had a major problem with regard to unloading crude oil. It was repaired with great effort. About 50,000 metric tons of crude oil have been unloaded and they are continuing the task of unloading the rest. We are in a situation where we will be able to gradually recommence operations at the refinery from tomorrow.
Journalists questioned the minister on reports that the pipe that is being used at present is in fact one that was decommissioned 12 years ago.
There are several parts of this system. One is the upper pipe and the other is the lower pipe. For the upper pipe, we used one that we had, which is functioning well. Our engineers have given us a guarantee. So there have been no problems. You need not worry. This will not happen again. Within about 1.5 months, we will receive a new pipeline system. It will take 10 to 15 days to unload the cargo from these 3 ships. This pipe is sufficient to complete this task.
Journalists also raised questions on whether a shortage of fuel would arise owing to both the crude oil and refined fuel buoys being inactive for several weeks.
It was said in various forums that we have a shortage of oil. There is no problem whatsoever. In truth, there was a minor issue with regard to low sulfur and high sulfur fuel because the refiner was inactive. We were able to resolve that problem during talks with the Electricity Board. We are providing both types to the CEB. A situation has not arisen where we have to supply them with diesel instead. We do not think that such a need will arise as we are keeping a close watch on our stocks.
අවශ්‍යතාවයක් ඇති වෙයි කියලා අපි හිතන්නේ අපේ තියෙන තොග පිළිබඳ අපි අවධානයෙන් ඉන්නවා.
හැබැයි කොහොමද අවසානයේ මේ සියලු දේත් එක්ක එන බර ජනතාවට දෙන්නේ නැහැ කියන සාතිකය දෙනවා.
අනිවාර්යයෙන්. මොකද මේ අවදානම් සහිත ව්‍යාපාරය
It is a risky business. And when we are working, our thought process is always not to burden the people. We have never initiated a program to charge the people for any losses incurred by us. Thereby, there is no risk of a fuel price hike.
ඒ නිසා කිසිම අවස්ථාවක ඉන්ධන මිල වැඩිවීමේ අවදානමක් ඇති වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඉන්ධන මිල වැඩිවීමේ අවදානමක් ඇති වෙන්නේ ලෝක වෙළඳපොළ අනුව මිසක් මේවායි කාර්යයන් නිසා නෙමෙයි.